Hi, I'm Steve Rhodes with TFNN.com, and this is today's Market Minute, September the 3rd. We're going to start off by taking a look at the New York Stock Exchange. Should the New York Stock Exchange today see 1,420 or more net declining issues, what will happen is the summation index, that's the green line right here, will actually tick down. It'll take the price oscillator below zero. Once that happens, this is helpful to identify the trend of the market. The New York Stock Exchange will go ahead and generate a sell signal. Price here has tested the swing point from July 31st, so closing below 11,069.72 will also be a rejection of that swing point. That'll likely set up a move down to the bottom of this rising price channel here. The real trouble in the market so far today has been the NDX 100. First, I want to take you over to the VIX because another sell signal today, this is September 3rd, would also come if we were to see the VIX index close above the 50-day exponential moving average. That's this blue squiggly line that is up on the that's on the VIX index here. Right now, it's priced out at 1276. That's another key level for you to be watching. If we take a look at other times when the VIX index has been above the 50-day exponential moving average, here's the S&P down below. You can see that's where there's damage that is done to the market. So keep an eye on that. A quick look in on what's creating problems inside of the top 10 holdings inside the NDX 100. Apple is leading the charge. It's off $4 right now, down 3%. As we take a look at Apple, it has, let me expand the chart out here, it's already down below with volume, by the way. It's done 63 million shares. So you have volume off of its all-time high out here. That is never a good thing inside any equity. We're likely to see Apple pull all the way back down to the most recent swing point, which was the August 8th level here. Natural retracement would be your 0.618 area, 97.28. If it closes below 99.52, and with the volume that's coming out of it today, looks to me like Apple wants to move all the way back down here. That will put pressure on the markets. That'll put pressure on the NDX 100. Quick looking at Microsoft up here. It's down 19 cents. Microsoft's chart looks just fine, although it did, and what Microsoft wants to do, it's got a high volume high that has not been tested at the 45.71 level. So long as Microsoft can stay above 44, it should be okay. Let's see what else is struggling here. Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon. It's off $3.50 out here. Amazon, what Amazon is doing, as long as it can hold the 337.80 area, it'll be okay. The problem with Amazon, big downdraft with big volume here on July 25th. 17 million shares on the way down. It's made a retracement, a 0.6 minute retracement on the way up with light volume. Oftentimes, that's what sets up the C point of an A to B equals CD. In this case here, it will be to the downside. So should we see the market turn here, this is suggesting that Amazon will not only go test the swing point low from August 1st, but more likely make a move down to about the 286 level. And lastly, let's just take a look here at Qualcomm. Qualcomm trading up 8 pennies right now, but Qualcomm has some problems. In the case of Qualcomm, it has made its way back to its downdraft from July 24th. That had big volume as well, 37 million shares. It got up there with 4 million shares. It looks like Qualcomm is getting ready to set up an A to B equals CD to the downside. Take price to 67.15. Hey, don't forget, you can tune in to TFNN. You can tune into my shows from 9 to 11. Just hit the Signal app button and the upper portion of version 12 for eSignal, or tune in by going to TFNN.com. It is Wednesday, September 3rd. Have a great day. This is Steve Rhodes. Bye-bye now.